Important Pandas characteristic. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we've been working some Advent coding challenges for the holidays. So important little feature that I guess I never paid attention to. So I thought this would be important for us to draw attention to. So because you're going to have these issues and all these subtleties, like why isn't this working? Why is this acting weird? Because I want to show you these things, because types of variables are extremely important. So I was going through and coming up with a best practice, and as I was going through the columns, I was noticing that I was getting ints all the way through the fifth column, or our fourth index, and then everything thereafter I was getting a float. And I guess all this work that I've done with pandas, I have been completely unaware of this. So I want to save you any stress that I have learned through my time. So actually just learned this today. I was today years old. So all right. So what I've put together is anytime there is a integer that is also accompanied with a nan, a null, or a non value, basically an empty cell in your data frame or your database, it will convert all of your int values to a float. So please make a mental note of that, because if you're setting these all up and you're doing calculations with ints, and then now all of a sudden you have a float, you will have a problem because you want to have consistency. So when you get to your later columns, you need to handle that accordingly. So if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. But if you are dealing and you're converting ints and you're tracking things and you're rounding, please be aware of that. If you have null values in columns, and especially if it's split like this, because we had an example, I forget what day it is, but we were doing good. Then all of a sudden we had some null values, and I was like, wait a minute, why are some of them floats? And I've never paid attention or never had any reason to, but in this example we were needing to handle this differently, and all of a sudden this happened. So that's the point of this channel, is to save you pain that I have already been through. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Please hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell. Make sure you're hitting down in the Discord server down below, so while you're on your journey of learning, you're not by yourself, and you can come over, pop in, ask a question, hang out, check us out during our live streams. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.